Hey everybody, we're going to get some chores done today. We're going to get the Tigermoth ready for winter, and we're going to get some firewood cut and some kindling made. Let's get to work. I have a small wood stove and I cut them in half. So I've been using this Ryobi brushless chainsaw with a lithium-ion battery. This just takes regular bar and chainsaw oil. This design is nice because you can port the battery in storage mode with it completely disconnected from the battery power, and then when you're ready you can insert it. I'll take the chain guard off while the battery's fully out, then put the battery in. Feels good to wear these Husqvarna chainsaw chaps. You just never know what's gonna happen. Now I'm working on putting the Tigermoth away for the winter. I want to put it in the garage, and I may have to take those crossbars off. So let's go ahead and do that. This is just left right off. Okay, I'll put a little bit of this white grease on this rear jack stand here. Okay, that's working real good. And I'll just wipe a little bit of that grease on this jack shaft. Okay, I'll WD-40 in the hitch receiver, put a little white grease in there. Let me just wash this panel before I put it back on. Okay, I'll take a tire brush and a little bit of car wash and just make sure there's no grease on this back panel. Okay, that's nice and clean. Okay, let's get this back on. So yeah, there's a little washer missing that fell off. Okay, that went on there real good. Okay, before we get our first big freeze, I'm gonna make sure that this water tank is empty. Okay, that should be fine for the winter. Okay, that's solid. Before I make my kindling, I'm going to have to get the surface rust off of this axe. And I think I'm going to use this wire wheel. I got to get a dust mask. Okay, that's better. Okay, I'm going to sand a little bit of the handle where there's been some overstrike damage. And just getting those broken fibers all cleaned up, that'll help this axe handle last a lot longer. Okay, nice. The last thing I'm going to do is sharpen this up a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed watching those chores. It's kind of a fan film to Andrew Camarata. I've been enjoying his channel. Check him out. Hope you have a great day and see you next time.